We can go like a green, springy, with pops of more green, or we can keep it dark and moody and just add a dark ribbon. I spent worse on worse things, so no regrets over here.
I heard about you. You heard about me. Yeah. Wow.
Okay, this is a little outfit of the day. I got this from Shein like 6 years ago, but I swear it's like maybe a Zimmerman dupe and it's still super cute. I have my vintage Chanel earrings. Then I have my little Chanel bag. These are the glasses I spent $1,400 on, and I'm gonna show you. Actually, wait till we get there. I don't know how and why Hermes doesn't sue Steve Madden for those dupes. Anyhow, I'm wearing my Hermes sandals. I'm 40 pounds overweight and I'm just rolling with it. I'm gonna show you guys my glasses. Hold on, let me adjust my seat. I hope you guys don't think they're ugly. Okay, this maker, she's called Anna Carlson. And all her glasses are like over $1,000, but they're so sick. I want to get a different pair that I saw, but I'm going to show you this one. So they look like this, and they have like black Swarovskis all on them. And when you put them on, they look like this. So yes, they're a bit much, but I love them. I feel like they match my personality. So let's go in here. They said it's gonna cost $70 to add the frames. So let's go inside. That was more than I expected. It cost $200 to have those frames put in. So that's taking these glasses to $1,600, and oh my gosh. Ouch, that's painful. But I spent worse on worse things. Do you ever feel like when the prices aren't published, they like look at you and size you up? I shouldn't have went to the optometrist looking like a bag of money, like dripped in Chanel. I should have been like super homely looking, because when I called them, they're like, oh, it's like $100 to put frames in lens, or to put lenses in frames. When I got there, they charged me $200. Way more than I expected. I picked this up from Walmart. That should work. So let me just cut a few. Got a lot of pretty ones. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I just can't. I can't. I spent all my money on land and now I can't even go to Hobby Lobby. I completely caved. They have purple and this color. I wonder if I did just more of like this. I think that would look nice. I didn't realize how many cute knobs Hobby Lobby has. Mushrooms, crystals, flowers. Yeah, it's cute. Look, they even have one like a knocker. I think these are pretty. Look at these. If you had like a... All of my dressers mostly have the kind that are like vertical. Like these. Like I'm drawn to these little like pointels. But like, where would I put that? On a doorknob or something? I really have like no need for more little knickknacks. So many choices, guys, for the wreaths. We can go two different directions. We can go like a green, springy, with pops of more green, or we can keep it dark and moody and just add a dark ribbon. So I'm really confused which direction to go. Peel these up and then stick them in the foliage like that, and just kind of put them around. It really is subtle, but I kind of like subtle, you know, more like a minimal. Whenever you want to go minimal, just think monochromatic. That's how I look at it. Okay. Take this off. Stick it in there. Definitely prefer the dark. Even though it's spring, I just feel like this looks way more important. What do you guys think? This is really cute and springy, but let's save it for the official summer. Oh my gosh, I'm on such a diet. I'm just gonna have vegetables and steak for dinner. I'll make my own homemade enchilada sauce. It's so easy to make.